What is that?
Oh yeah, wasn't that beautiful? All right, well, it's morning one of going birding here in Punta Cana. Gonna go out and check out the mangrove that I found yesterday. I got this lifer, which is a collared dove, with my cell phone. I didn't have my camera. I haven't taken it out yet, so I'm pretty excited to get going. The weather looks beautiful this morning. It's been raining off and on, and really windy yesterday, so we'll see what we can find this morning. See if we can find any more lifers. Hopefully get another shot of the parrots that I saw. They were pretty incredible yesterday. They were really loud. I was playing pickleball, so without further ado, let's get going. So yesterday there was a bunch of birds in this water down here. A couple gananoolies and ducks. Morning. Hoping to see these again today. Northern mockingbird up there. Busload of people coming in pretty early. It's only like 20 after 7. I think that's the northern mockingbird again. Oh no, that's something else. Huh. Let me see. See if it'll stay. I'll have to check it out. I have internet here, unlike in Cuba, where I was last year. If you haven't seen those videos, you can check them out on my channel. I had some wicked birds in Cuba. I'm still planning on doing the reflection video for Cuba. Oh, what all is there? Whoa, there's a bunch more. Oh yes, that's the woodpecker I wanted to see. Hispaniola or Hispanolan woodpecker. Hispaniola is Hispaniola is the island where Dominican's on. It's not a great shot because of the light. I definitely got him. Wow, so like that silhouette, when I edit it, it looks like this. So at least now it's, you know, usable and identifiable, but sick. I've been hoping I'd get that bird. Oh, there's two of them. Oops. There's the woodpecker on that branch. Oh, that looks cool. Sick, that's a lifer. Let's go. I don't see any other birds in here. Some flowers that look pretty. Well, now it's like 10 hours later. I've got 1 more hour left of daylight, and I figured I'd come back to the same spot because I didn't see very much this morning when I was out, but I saw a lot more birds in the same spot as I was going back throughout the day to go play pickleball. I also got a lifer today, a magnificent frigate bird. It's a crappy photo because it's on my cell phone when I was at the beach, but that was pretty cool. What else? I got another lifer, the West Indian whistling duck, and that's what I'm going back here to look for. I think it should still be in one of the swamps out here, so let's have a look. Let's go. There's a bunch of birds up in this tree right here. It's a dove that's just flying up, and I think the rest are mockingbirds. No, okay, those are the palm chats that I saw this morning. Another dove that just landed there. It's another collared dove. That was a lifer yesterday. Is that another palm chat right here? Yes. Can't really see him well. I want to look and see if I can find the duck. There's some more gallinules down here. Saw them earlier today. Okay, that's a better view of the palm chat. Cool. They have like similar marking to a song sparrow, at least on their chest. I think they're pretty common here, but it was a lifer today, so I'm stoked. Two mockingbirds way over there. Some nice flowers there too. See so many birds like on the other side of the swamp that I can't get to. Sick. There's something up there. That's either a flycatcher or a kingbird. And there's two kinds of kingbirds here, a loggerhead kingbird that I saw in Cuba and a different kind that I forgot the name of. Sweet. I hope that's another lifer. think I see a bunch of parrots. Yeah. There's like 3 of them in that shot. Another dove. I think that's another collared dove. Eurasian collared dove. I think that's just a mourning dove that I have back home. I see all the time. Oh, there's the duck. No way. Can't really get a good shot of her. Eating all his babies. There we go. They've been here a lot. Like most time I walk through here. Super cool looking. Sweet. Well, that's what I wanted to get. Oh my, there's a freaking green heron right there. That's a sick shot of the green heron. What? Let's go. I love these birds. I've seen them before, but honestly, it never stayed that still. It's like a perfect shot of him. Holy. There he goes. That was sick. Oh, now he just landed in the tree. Sick. Let's go. That was lucky. Do apologize if there's a lot of wind noise. I got this new microphone, a wireless mic. After my last California video, when I got home and realized how windy it was, I said, yeah, it's time to buy a mic. I've been skimping out for so long now. The GoPro mic's not bad, but I feel like this one will be more consistent when I turn my head and stuff. Is that a cat? Just saw? Yes. I can only see his ears. He's behind that bush. There he is. Oh, yes. Hi, buddy. Oh, I missed my calf. Oh man, this cat's got a sick place to live. Not gonna lie. Turtles and fish. Oh yeah, a lot of fish. Oh, a ton of fish. I like this music. Oh, hey, bud. There's a baby. I don't know how those turned out. I had my camera down. This looks kind of promising in here. I like this area. There's a little bird. I think that's a common yellowthroat. It's a lot of branches, but oh nope, that one didn't work. Hi buddy, I think that's a little prairie warbler. Came for my call. I learned that call from some super serious birders in Nova Scotia. I noticed they all do that sound. Cool, I finally found some warblers. Some small birds, let's go. This spot's definitely the most promising that I found, other than the little boardwalk area with the duck. This is great. Finally some small birds. It's pretty windy out here. I could probably fly my drone in this, but this is like the limit. And it's even windier on the beach. Well, I'm just on my way back. Today I just sort of explored out in the front of my resort. Barbero Beach here in Punta Cana is really busy compared to where I was in Cuba. Like, there's resorts on either side of me, and in one direction it goes for like 20 kilometers. So, just looking to see if I see any more birds. I figured the best chance I'd have is to look in the swamp out front. And I did find sort of a spot where I found some warblers, so I might go revisit that tomorrow, certainly before I go. I also want to go check out the golf course that's here and see if I can walk around on the maintenance trails like I do back home at Heartland Point. If you haven't seen my Heartland Point video, it's a really popular spot in Nova Scotia where people like to go. But I do feel the rain. I gotta run back, so that's it for this video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up down below. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been to Punta Cana and like where you went birding, if you saw any birds here. I think that was an American coot actually. Because there's not as many birds here as in Cuba, but it's only day 2 for me, day 1 of actually going birding. So I feel the rain, I gotta run, so take care and thanks for watching.